Welcome to Hobert Pools. It's Plungie day. We're going to install a Plungie pool today. We've got the crane here. The Plungie pool is on its way. Basically, we're installing Plungie pools because the market right now, gunite pools has gotten outrageously expensive. So we're trying to provide a cheaper, faster method of installing a pool for customers. So this is kind of a big day for us. Alright, we have the Plungie pool set at this point. It's ready for the next steps. We'll do the plumbing, electrical. I believe we're doing a little bit of tile work on this one. And it'll be ready to backfill and get some decking on it. So if you're interested in a Plungie pool, please give us a call. Thank you.